Okay, yesterday completed now this problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next problem, write down, students. Morning, I posted KCET previous question papers and Akash material also. Once you solve all the problems. Did you see that one? Huh? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, write down. Next question. Next question, write down, students. If capital A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, and A square, A square minus 4A is equal to K into I3. Then K is equal to. Tell me, students, how to do this problem? Students, tell me how to do this problem.
Ma'am, you have to take multiply into A.
Yeah, respond all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
A square. A square is equal to A into A. That is, we can write it as 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now, we can write this also 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. How can you multiply these two matrices respond? First row with first column. First row with first column. So that implies 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. First row with second column. Please, all of you, is there any difficult? Please ask me. I will explain one more time how to multiply matrix of multiplication. Please, if you don't know this multiplication is, you can do anything, because it's the main basics is addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, and multiplication of two matrices. If you don't know that basics in matrix, we can't do anything. You don't know even one step also, you can't write. So that too, this chocolate is very, very, very easy compared to other chapters. Okay, that it is weightage is also is more. That is one 5 marks question, one 3 marks question, one 1 mark question. For board, I'm telling to you, CBSE students both get you difference around 9 marks. Now tell me, first row with second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 to the 4. Next, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2. Please respond, students. Is there any doubt? Please
No.
respond. Next, second row with first column. Then do it all of you first. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2. Next, 4 plus 4 plus 1. What is this answer, students? 9.
8,
What is the answer?
8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8,
8
9,
to 9.
8, 9, 9, 8. I mean 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9.
This also 8 to 8 to 9. Okay, this is A square. Students, now A square minus 4A. A square minus 4A means we can write 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9 minus 4A. 4A. 4 in 1.
Ma'am, you have
4
to
in
multiply into 4.
4. 4, 4, 4. Tell me, students. 4, 8, 8, 4. Next, what you get, students? 4 to the 8, right? Hello. My voice is clear, students. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer. 4a is equal to what? Multiply with 4 directly. I'm writing here. 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 8, 4, 8. Next, 8, 8, 1.
4.
Next.
4, ma'am.
Then what?
4, mom.
Yeah, 5, 0,
5 0 0 5 0
0, 5, 0,
0
0, 0, 5.
5, ma'am.
Yeah, take 5 common outside. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Take 5 common outside. Then you can write 5 into I3. Identity
Yes, ma'am.
matrix.
I
that
into
is
A is
I3.
nothing but I.
5, 5. So therefore, we'll get you what is the answer. A square minus 4a is equal to 5 into I3. 5 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down, ma'am?
Mom,
Yeah.
can you explain that 1 plus 4 plus 4, that part is, that step is unknown. Can you explain that step?
Yeah. Matrix multiplication, this one. This is matrix multiplication. This is 3 cross 3 and this also 3 cross 3. Okay. That is, for example, if you take m cross n, this order is 3 cross 2. If n is equal to p, then only multiplication is possible. Otherwise, matrix does not exist. So here 3 is equal to 3, So matrix multiplication possible. If you multiply the two matrix, will get you the order is m cross q. The order is m cross q order will get you. How can you multiply these two means? For example, if you take A, completed students writing still? Anyone?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
For example, A, B, C, D. For example, I'm writing X, Z, PM. Now, here we have a form how to multiply. This is 2 by 2 matrix. First row with the first column. First row with first column means A into X. Immediately take plus. If you multiply one term, immediately take plus. After that, multiply next remaining term. First row with the second element. First row with the first column. That is B into Z. Next, first row, first column completed. First row, second column. First row, so A into Y plus B into P. Okay. Next, second row with first column. C into X plus D into Z. Second row with the second column. So C into Y plus D into P. Like that you had to write it. Students, any doubt here?
No.
Students, please listen. AX plus BZ, AY plus BZ, PM. CZ plus DZ plus DP. Okay, now that is the answer. Like that, here also, first row with first column. That is 1 into 1. Directly I'm written 1 plus immediately take plus 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Immediately write plus 2 into 2. 2 plus 2, 4 over. Next, first row with the second column. First row with the second column is you can write it as 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Next, 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Next, first row with the third column. First row with third column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2. Is it okay, man? Understood, all of you students? Please
Yes,
respond.
ma'am. Understood.
Respond, all of you, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 1, 3. Next question, right down. Right. Students, next one is if 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1 equal to A minus B minus B A. Here options are A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1. Second one, A is equal to secant square theta, B is equal to 0. Third one, A is equal to 0, B is equal to sine square theta. Third option, A is equal to sine 2 theta, B is equal to cos 2 theta. Tell me students how to do this problem. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. First row with first column. First row with first column is 1 into 1 minus into minus plus tan square theta. First row with second column. 1 into 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1 is minus tan theta. Second row with first column 1 into tan theta minus tan theta. Second row with first tan square theta plus 1. So which is equal to A minus B minus B A. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. These two are cancelled. These two also cancel. 0, 0, secant square theta. Now which is equal to A minus B minus B A. Now students, what is this answer?
Ma'am, second option, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.